Hello everyone. Good evening. So clap for everybody that you all have come today. So to all the audience watching us, we are here on Sunday. I think you guys came at 2 p.m. कितने बजे आए थे? You guys came at 2 p.m. बहुत बढ़िया. So मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा पहले तो I'd like to apologize कि लोगों का संडे मैंने ख़राब किया. But as we are coming live in this camera, so today we are having a practice session. As we have practiced lot of things, आज हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें प्रैक्टिस की हैं. इसी के साथ आज हम कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी करने वाले हैं जिसमें आप लोगों को इस कैमरा में आके बोलना है. The reason why we are recording this session, it is because क्योंकि जब आप बोलेंगे तो घर पे जाके when you see yourself, जब आप अपने आप को देखेंगे तो आप अपनी गलतियां महसूस कर पाएंगे कि कहाँ पर आपकी गलतियां कर रहे हैं. राइट? तो जब भी आपको अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में किसी से सवाल पूछना है तो किसका यूज़ करते हैं? आराम से बोलिए, डरिए नहीं. हैव यू यूज़ करते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया. किसका यूज़ करते हैं? हैव यू का. जैसे मैम आपको मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में पूछना है कि आपने कभी काम किया है तो कैसे पूछेंगे?
Have you any work? Have you done any work?
Have you done any work? बहुत बढ़िया. That means हम थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. राइट? तो इसी के सहारे हम इस सेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं जिसमें मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल करूँगा, आप उसके जवाब देंगे. आप चाहें तो भी क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. सो आर यू गाइज रेडी? सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. एक बार तालियां हो जाएं सभी के लिए. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम मैम. यस सर, प्लीज. You are not prepared. Okay, so who is ready? Irfan sir is here. Sir, can you just come closer? Yes. So Irfan sir, how you feeling?
I'm feeling very well because it is a very well seminar type of. It is a session, and I don't remember this.
Okay, but you don't remember or you will not remember because you want to forget it. I ruined your Sunday. Is it so? Okay, no problem. So I just want to ask, have you completed your graduation?
Yeah, I completed my graduation, but not full.
Not full graduation.
Not full graduation completed. I completed only.
Because you bunked your colleges or something?
No, I don't.
Never bunked.
I never bunked my college because I completed my fitness journey courses.
Okay. All right. So now we have Nivesh here. Nivesh, could you please stand up and come this side? Yes. So we have Nivesh. Give it up for Nivesh, guys. So Nivesh, I just want to ask.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell me 3-4 things about your life that you have done so far.
So recently I have completed my post graduation in 2000.
What have you done in your graduation?
I have completed my MCom.
MCom. All right. What year did you pursue that?
Yes, sir.
What year did you complete that?
In 2023.
So you guys can say कि मैंने 2020 right?
Yes, sir.
मैं ग्रेजुएशन किया था. That means हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? I completed my graduation in 2020. लेकिन जनरल अगर आप एक जनरल वे में अगर एक्सपीरियंस बता रहे हो तो आप क्या कहेंगे? I've completed my graduation. बोलिए सारे लोग.
I have completed my graduation.
अच्छा, डिग्री कोई भी हम लेते हैं तो एक वर्ड और यूज होता है परस्यू. क्या वर्ड यूज होता है? परस्यू. तो आप ये भी कह सकते हैं आई परस्यूड माई ग्रेजुएशन. ठीक है? परस्यूड की बाद आप अपनी डिग्री भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आई परस्यूड MBA, आई परस्यूड BBA. सो व्हाट हैव यू परस्यूड?
I have pursued MCom.
MCom. All right. So how has it been so far? मतलब कैसी आपकी जर्नी रही है अभी?
It's been grateful for me and very exciting.
All right. Tell me 2 more things that you haven't done yet.
I haven't done my
Yes, no problem.
guitar course
Okay.
full, and this is one regression for me.
You have. Only you think that you haven't done yet.
Yeah.
Have you had your lunch?
Yeah, I had my lunch
With whom did you have it?
alone.
Alone. So he has a complaint that he has his lunch alone. So your father is not going to get you married soon?
Not yet.
Achha, okay, he's not planning. You have completed your graduation. Have you started working in any company?
Yeah, I have started in IT company.
Okay.
It's
How long has it been?
it's been around 8 months.
8 months. Okay.
Yeah.
So now as you've completed your MCom.
Yes, I have completed my MCom.
Right. And you have got the job.
Yeah, I have
But you've not got a perfect match for you.
Yeah.
Don't you think? Yeah, you are saying yeah. So what is your plan about your marriage?
Recently, I don't have any plan for marriage, but in future maybe
Maybe or definitely.
definitely.
Alright. So whenever you find a perfect person, you will get married. So अगर आपको इसी बात को अंग्रेजी में कहना है कि मेरी अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई है,
I haven't get married yet.
गेट तो या गॉट आएगा बच्चा, क्योंकि थर्ड आई हैवंट गॉट मैरिड येट, और अभी तक नहीं के लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, येट. गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर. थैंक यू सो मच. Alright, so now who would like to come next? Now let's come to this place. We have Purvi this side. Purvi, would you like to come here? Yeah, thank you. Would you like to कब यूज़ करते हैं हम? जब हम किसी को ऑफर या इनविटेशन देते हैं, क्या आप यहाँ आना चाहेंगे, आप ये करना चाहेंगे? जैसे आपको पूछना है आप कॉफ़ी पीना चाहोगे? Would you like to have? अगर आपको किसी से पूछना है कि आप स्टेज पर बोलना चाहोगे, कैसे पूछेंगे?
Would you speak on stage?
Would you
like to speak on
Would you
stage?
like to speak
on stage.
Alright, so what's your name?
Purvi Rai.
Purvi, right. Alright, how long has it been here?
It's been 3 months.
3 months. So how has your journey been so far?
It's great for me. I have learned lot of things here.
So today you came around 2 p.m., correct? Don't you think that I've ruined your Sunday?
No, sir. I don't think because it's for me, for you.
Alright. Tell me 2 things that you've done in your life.
I have done my 10th.
Okay, you completed your 10th.
Yes.
Yes.
And I have done. I'm not remember that.
Okay, so now you tell me. I don't remember. मुझे याद नहीं है तो आप क्या कहेंगे? I don't remember. Alright. Anything? Is there anything that you haven't done yet?
Yes, sir. I haven't done my graduation yet, and I haven't done my many things like.
Like what? You don't remember exactly.
Yes, sir.
Alright, no problem. So tell me about your hobbies. What you love doing?
I like dancing, singing. I like.
Instead of guys आपको बोलना हो कि मुझे कोई चीज़ पसंद है, आप I am fond of कह सकते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे आपको कहना है कि मुझे डांस का बड़ा शौक है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? I am fond of dancing. Say it again.
I have found of dancing.
Found नहीं, fond.
I have found of dancing.
So now I have another question for you. As you came here at 2 p.m., right? So have you completed or have you had your lunch?
Yes, I've had my lunch.
What did you have?
I've had Arby's leaves.
Okay, arvi leaves. Okay, with chapati.
Yes.
So what are you cooking in the evening?
No, I don't know how to cook.
You don't know how to cook? Chalo, hats off to your husband. Will know in future. Will you learn or you will make your husband cook?
No, I don't want to learn, son.
You don't want to learn. That means you are going to make. Alright, so that's all. Give it up for Purvi, guys. Thank you. It's been nice. So now we have, what's your name? No sir. No sir is your name? Sonali. So guys, don't be afraid of camera. This is for your improvement. तो मैं मेरी ऑडियंस को भी बता दूँ, ये सारे बच्चे अभी रिसेंटली दे गाइस हैव जॉइंड, और ये अभी बिगिनिंग में हैं, स्टेज में हैं, और इनको कैमरा का बड़ा फियर है. तो ये जो एक्टिविटी है इसको हम इसीलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि लोगों का जो कैमरा का डर है, सो वी कैन गेट रिड ऑफ दिस कैमरा फोबिया, यू नो. तो आप अगर जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं, आप गलत भी बोलेंगे, कोई समस्या नहीं है. वी ऑल आर हेयर फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स, है ना. हम यहाँ किस लिए आए हैं? अपने आप को सुधारने के लिए. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी टू स्पीक. गलत भी हो जाए कोई बुराई नहीं है, कोई भी आपको ये नहीं बोलेगा ये गलत बोल रहा है. गलत हम इसलिए बोल रहे हैं, हमें अभी नहीं आ रही, हम लर्निंग स्टेज में हैं, हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग. सो आर यू गाइज रेडी फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड? सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू Mr. Rakesh. So guys, we have Rakesh here and he will talk about, he's a married person because I've been asking the same question for so long, as I asked to Nivesh that have you got married? So have you got married?
Yes, I got married.
You got married. Okay. So how's your experience?
It is a good experience.
On camera it is good?
It is good experience.
No, कैमरा के सामने अभी अच्छा बोल रहे हैं आप, because ma'am also watches this YouTube.
No, it is good.
तो आपने मैम को सब्सक्राइब करने का बोला है. Have you made ma'am subscribe this
I
channel?
am watching some videos.
You are watching,
Yes.
but you never ask your wife to watch it. क्योंकि आप अच्छा okay, you will come on camera, फिर it will be like a bit problematic for you. All right. So now I have a question. What year did you get married? How long has it been?
It's a long.
It's been
It's been 2 years.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Since you got married.
Yes, sir.
So how's your marriage life going on?
It is good, sir.
It is good.
Yes.
So can you tell me something about your, could you please let me know about your routine? How is your routine? How do you maintain your lifestyle?
I wake up around 6 o'clock, and then I go to morning walk, and
So
then
you go for a morning walk alone or you take your wife with you?
no sir, I am a self myself.
You go alone. So why don't you take your wife with you? Because it's better now you both go for a walk and talk.
He is not interested.
She is not interested in walk or in you. Okay, no problem. I'm just kidding. So if we talk about it, when it comes to doing household chores, जब भी घर के कामों को करने की बात आती है, right? So who does household work?
Something working. Oh,
I do some work.
I do some work.
In camera you are saying, I think. Otherwise you would say I do all the work.
No, something work.
Some work like such as.
Like sometime.
Do you do the laundry?
No.
You don't do the laundry. Who does it then?
I sometimes cook food.
For whom? For your wife. So he is a very, very sincere husband and student as well. Clever for him because he cooks for his wife. So are you a good chef? Are you a good cook? Can we say that?
No.
Or your wife is lazy? Sorry, you don't mind, ma'am, but I'm just asking.
No, I'm not good.
You are not a good cook.
Yes.
So you do it, you want to cook or you have to cook?
No sir.
नो कमेंट्स. मैंने क्वेश्चन इनसे पूछा कि आप खाना बनाना चाहते हैं या आपको खाना बनाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि चाहते हैं कि जब भी बात करते हैं तो वांट टू यूज़ होता है. क्या यूज़ होता है? और बनाना पड़ता है तो हैव टू. तो मैं फिर से आपसे सवाल करता हूँ, डू यू वांट टू कुक एवरी डे और डू यू हैव टू कुक एवरी डे?
Do you want to?
नो आंसर देना है तो आई वांट टू.
I want to cook.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes sir.
चलो एक बार कैमरा बंद करके आंसर पूछ लें आपसे. चलो, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, क्लैप फॉर हिम, दैट वाज गुड, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू. प्लीज, सो नाउ आई हैव, लेट मी चूज समबडी who would like to come in the camera now. Yes, we have Ayushi, right? Ayushi, please come here. Give it up for Ayushi, guys. So Ayushi, tell me something about yourself.
I am Ayushi Solanki, and recently I completed my schooling, and now I am pursuing my graduation, and now I'm in second year.
So what have you done so far in your education?
I've completed my schooling now so far.
So right now what you pursuing?
I am pursuing BA, and now I'm doing my UPSC preparation as well.
So you are preparing for UPSC. So what's your aim? What you want to become in future?
I become an IAS officer. I want to become an IAS officer.
Right, that's a great and challenging task she has taken for herself. That's a great thing. So huge round of applause for her, literally. And we wish you all the best for this. And alright, so can you tell us something to our audience, all the people who are sitting here? There are many things in life that we haven't done yet, correct? What are those things? जो आपने अभी तक नहीं करी हुई हैं, that you haven't done yet.
So I don't remember.
You don't remember. So have you written that slip I asked you to write?
Yes, I did.
Can I see that?
Yeah.
Can you bring it, please? Why you guys are afraid in front of camera? When camera comes, you guys become so quiet. I don't know why. So let me see what you have written here. So you've written many words, right? Yes. So you've written one word, deceive. Deceive का मतलब होता है धोखा देना, right? So have you deceived anyone?
No, sir. I haven't deceived anyone.
You haven't deceived anyone. That means you want to.
No, I doesn't want. I didn't.
I don't want.
I don't want to deceive anyone.
Okay. So let me ask you questions. Have you ever traveled to Dubai or some other places out of country? I'm asking.
No, I haven't traveled Dubai. No, from
foreign
me.
country.
Yes, I am in foreign country.
All right. So is there any place that you would like to travel in future?
Yes, in India I want to go Kedarnath.
So जब भी आप किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड और खुश हों कि ये चीज़ मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ, आगे करूँगा, तो आप बोला करो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. क्या कहेंगे बच्चा? बोलो, सभी की आवाज़ आनी चाहिए. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. तो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू विजिटिंग केदारनाथ दिस ईयर. मतलब मैं इस साल केदारनाथ विजिट करने जाऊँगा. तो नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में आप ये भी कह सकते हैं आई विल विजिट, बट आप उस चीज़ को लेके क्या हैं? वेरी एक्साइटेड, बहुत एक्साइटेड है और खुश है, तो आप कह सकते हैं आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू विजिटिंग केदारनाथ दिस ईयर. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. So now everybody has to speak. I am going to ask you few questions and everybody will be speaking in the frame. It is going to be 3 minutes practice session and everybody has to speak, remember. So are you guys ready? Yes sir. Are you ready guys? Yes sir. All right. So have you ever watched any movie? Yes sir. Have you watched Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum?
I have watched this Kabhi Khushi
Kabhi Gum. Okay. What movie have you watched so far? What all movies have you watched so far?
I have watched movie such as KGF.
एक ही movie. You have watched only one movie so far. So tell me the names. I watched. घबराओ नहीं, कैमरा को देख के नहीं घबराना है. बोलो I watched.
I watched movie to many.
Ma'am, how many movies have you watched?
I have watched many more movie because I am fond of watching movie.
So what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie Veer Zara and comedy in movies.
Oh, that's great.
My mood.
All right, that's great. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now we have ma'am here. So ma'am, how you feeling after coming here on Sunday?
A little bit fear goes with my personality and I feel very happy to join this class.
All right. So ma'am, can you tell us something about your experience?
First of all, myself Dr. Rupali Sharma and I have completed my BCom, MCom, LLB, LLM and now at present I am pursuing my DLED. I have completed my research degree and I supervise 3 students so far.
Oh, that's great. So she has supervised almost 3-4 students so far in your field. That's great. Give a big round of applause for her. That's good. So guys, have you ever got a chance to travel in a flight? Who has got that chance? How many of you have traveled in flight? You have traveled by flight, yeah. How many times?
Many times, 2-3 times.
So I have traveled by flight 2-3 times. All right. So now we have this person. What's her name?
Ankita Jaiswal.
Ankita. All right. So Ankita, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
Feeling better because it's your 4th or 5th day over here.
Yeah, sir.
So how's the experience so far? Say it. No problem. It's been amazing.
It's been amazing.
Literally में amazing हो तो ही बोलना. नहीं बोलेंगे सर जबरदस्ती बुलवा रहे हैं, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah, sir. It's been amazing. And sir,
What's your favorite dish?
my favorite dish food है.
मतलब food में special any cuisine or you love?
There is dal bati.
Dal bati. Okay. Guys, have you had dal bati? Yes. Being Indori, you can't deny that. Everybody loves dal bati. Yes. Shubham, how often do you eat dal bati? कितनी बार खाते हो दिन में? मतलब दिन में?
I haven't eaten that.
You haven't had dal bati yet? Yes. Are you crazy?
No sir.
This person is telling that he hasn't had dal bati yet. अभी तक इन्होंने दाल बाटी नहीं खाई. I think you must try once.
I don't like.